Think you know all the best joke products from Weasley's Wizard Wheezes? Let's test your knowledge. Which product helps wizards eavesdrop from a distance? Extendable Ears. Which Weasley's product makes it look like you have no head? Headless hat. Think you've mastered the basics? Like this video if you got these right. Which sweet causes your tongue to grow in size? Tongue Toffees. Which Weasley product turns wands into funny objects? Trick wands. Which product creates instant, impenetrable darkness? Leave your answer in the comments and share your score with us. Part 2 coming soon. We'll link the complete quiz in the description.